Mbunge ya Senate yiweta yina mutalatala mwanya wa kuvetanga ndivi sya Kisomo iwangoni syonthe kila cha musingi, sekondary, uvundi, nginya cha university. Ivindani uneenan'ya yiulu wa uaanya wa burseries uendee kuete muvuavuano katikati wa Mbunge, maseneta ona mangavana. Nzama ya Mbunge ya Senate ivaniye nthini wa siumwa itembingi syukite kuneenanisya mutalatala wa kuvetanga inando syonthe sektani ya Kisomo ta burseries sya MCA, abunge, mangavana na sia serikali nene yiweta yithi na uyananu na utheu na mutalatala uendekethya serikali ya katikati the Kisomo ni chama navyo. Mutalatala ni wa seneta wa Kiambu Karungu wa Thangwa Benjamin Mwaka na mauvua kwa withiano.
Musukumo wa kutata kutungia Kisomo chamana yani kitendivi yuwe moko ni masioma Mbunge ya Senate. Zama ya Kisomo ya Senate yiweta vena mutalatala mulumu wa seneta wa kaunti ya Kiambu Karungu wa Thangwa ukuendekethya Kisomo cha musingi, sekondary, kila cha uvundi jina kila cha imanisyo sya yiulu syonthe kwithwa kite cha ndivi na uneenan'ya uetelu kutwaya wa Senate vindete ya sayukite.
When you talk of free education, we have a motion from the senator of Kiambu is on, and we are going to discuss the free education agenda. We are concerned about this because you are spending a lot of money on bursaries and these children are being taught in a classroom of 80.
Kielelo kinene ni kuvetanga uteti Kisomoni na kumba ute uaanya wa burseries takitue kinene manifesto ni siya teti ivindani ya kampeni ivilani syonthe ila siyethia weleveni undula utumito na maendeleo kukonya mwiano wa Kisomo wa skulu ni uendee kutiala netina.
It's a political game which two governors have come here and they have told us we are doing it because it's politically attractive. And it's good to be very honest about this. We should not divert our little 15% of devolved funding, because devolved funding was supposed to bring equalization at the grassroots level.
Zama ya Senate ya Kisomo yiweta vene lovia mbingi muno inaekite sya mauvucho ma Kisomo yani burseries na utonekanu wa wanangi kwa mpesa vamwe na uaanya tena uyananu na withianu yiulu muno.
Everybody is giving bursary. Women rep are giving bursary. Members of parliament are giving bursary. Governors are giving bursary. The child can get bursary from the governor, bursary from women rep, bursary from member of parliament, because you can get one kid who is getting bursary from every other person, including organizations that are giving bursary. Okay, you can be giving the deserving, but he end up getting every other person giving bursary.
Na yuamwe mama gavana ta gavana wa kaunti ya Narok Patrick Olen Tutu weta wendekethyo wa Senate wena vaita munene kwa mamilioni ma NNV na zama magavana COG thina na molo tutao wa vitukithwa ni Mbunge ya Senate.
There is always double allocation. There is always somehow misuse in terms of giving out those who is needy and who is not. Sometimes children are given if you are politically right, and therefore if there is a way, all these bursaries can be put in a basket, and we make it in Kenya that all our children that are going to school from 1 to Form 4 is free, and tertiary colleges and universities. I was reading somewhere that it is about 900 and something billion shilling. I'm very sure no kid will be left out. And finally, we will now get free primary free education, because we have all been just singing free education, but we haven't attained or we haven't achieved that.
Personally, I'm a believer of what you said, and that bill is in our house. I know it is a tough one, and I thank you for being in the same line with the Senate.
Vilingwa mauvo kumava musini wa Ilovi nyeneta wa Benjamin Mwaka.